At Ninja, we are constantly working to create innovative products that help enable a healthy lifestyle. And sometimes they taste good too. I'd like to introduce you to the Vita Drink Creator by Ninja. This drink creator can be added to water, soda water for homemade sodas, to crushed ice for a wonderful slushie, or even over a snow cone. Now, I know you're thinking all of these drinks don't sound all that healthy, but one serving is only 3 grams of sugar and 30 calories. Plus, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Let me show you how it works. Now, right now, we have 3 different flavors to show you: black cherry, blue raspberry, and pink lemonade. All delicious, all flavored with all natural fruit. All right, so I like to have a nice homemade soda at home sometimes, so I like the black cherry for this. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour the concentrate directly into cold water. Give it a little stir. Now, what's wonderful about the concentrate is you can vary the flavor. So for kids, they might want it a little bit sweeter, add just a little bit more of the concentrate. And for you adults, it's great because you can enjoy a wonderful thirst-quenching drink that the whole family can enjoy, and it's nutritious. All right, let's try this. Really good. All right, so that's one aspect. Let's go ahead and walk you through a slushie. Now for a slushie, this again is a concentrate, so you mix 2 tablespoons of the concentrate with 4 tablespoons of water. I've already done this, have it prepared, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it into my single serve cup and top it off with some ice. My hands are clean, I promise. All right, that should do it. Attach my single serve blade set, making sure it's on nice and tight. Let's go ahead and attach it to the motor base. Again, always lining up the tabs on the single serve blending cup with the notches on the motor base. And then turn to lock. Now we're ready to pulse. Now you've got a wonderful, refreshing treat that your whole family can enjoy.